begin carry my hand fan, then begin the blow hand so that the thing go dry a little bit before we begin the install them. Now the thing don't get sticky, so now we'll begin the install. Madam, what do you do? Bring the hair forward. See, carry and come forward like this. Drag and come forward. You dey fear, not fear again. Drag it, baby. Then this week, as you are old, so now so problem still for your body. Oh, so one may confront small hair. It dey okay like this. So press the life down. Press and down well, okay? If you want, may your wig gum to your head. Press and not they say, hey, you go spoil and you know they spoil anything. Press and down. Yes, he say I don't gum. So I'll begin to carry my band. Use and band this hair. You they see and say the thing don't install. You they see and say you don't install. Ungwanu 8 years old hair. Hey, shikbo ungwanu. Use this brush to brush am so that the thing go dey very, very fine. You see, brush am wella. So I'll begin apply my wax stick. Oh Jesus, this wax stick, hey, just mess up everywhere. Ungwanu, check it out. So now I'll begin apply my powder, okay? I just use and take Gengeran small. Powder way they a bit darker than your skin, you just use them, okay, for the edges. Not pack and put like poto, just, you know, do a one on one like that. Apply in the center. This is the name of the Metis spray in case you need it. You can either take your brush, dip in, collect as much as you want, or if you even still use your hand. So what do you do? See, apply that edges way they that edges of the lace. Now you go apply and put. You dey see apply around the edges. Then begin melt so that you go really melt okay? Make your lace melt be. Forget that headache. Bear and take paracetamol, relax. So we'll leave it for 15 minutes. Ungwanu, check out the final look. Check it out, rate it. 8 years old hair looking like this. Can you see how flat is looking? Can you see how flat this hair is looking? And this is on period. This wig is 8 years old. Now wait till I talk. Yes, I hope you learned something on this video on how to install your hair, even if the hair don't hold. Yeah, there's still life. No money to take they buy wig nowadays. So you can use your 5 years old wig repeatedly, no problem. Focus, learn how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. If you get money, come meet me, I go do them for you, or you go salon, you go do them. But if you not sabi, you not get money, join stick to Chacha Beauty World page and learn how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. See, and that's why I talk about my hand. My 2 ends they up. You understand me? This is on period. So I'm loving the outcome. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Drop your opinion. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. Or any kind of me. I will be there to answer to your question. I will see you guys in my next video.